Do your edges look like this? Or this? Or this? If your edges look like this, you're gonna wanna watch this video because I'm going to show you one of the best ways that will help you get back your edges. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use a rice water to grow back my edges. Rice water is a Chinese natural treatment that can also be used on hair. It is said to have many great benefits and minerals and vitamins like amino acids, vitamin E, and vitamin B. It also helps to smoothen your hair, helps the hair to be strong. It also helps with increasing the length of your hair. So we're going to need some few ingredients. One is rice. You can use any rice of your choice. We have orange, some water, essential oil, and a container. This is how I prepare mine. I just take my rice, any amount of rice. It doesn't have to be a specific amount. I first rinse my rice. As you can see, the water is already cloudy. So we don't need this water. Let's go ahead and take it out. So the next step is to put my clean water and wash my rice properly. I mean washing it properly. Take your time, wash your rice. Rice is also good for your skin. I also have a video right here. Please check it out if you'd like to know how to make your own rice cream at home for your face and body. So after washing your rice, go ahead, pour your washed rice into a jar. I have my medium-sized storage jar right here. You can use any of your choice, but please make sure it's not plastic. Add water into the storage jar. So I will be adding my essential oil, and I'm going to use a lemongrass. Just adding some few drops, but you can use any essential oil of your choice. Now I mix it with my water. So I add some orange peel to my rice water because sometimes I don't like the smell of the rice water. So my essential oil plus orange peel, yes, it's gonna give it some better smell. Peel the back of your oranges because you're going to use only the peel. Add it into your already prepared mixture. Yeah, so now our rice water is almost ready. We are going to let it sit for some days. You can let it sit for 2 to 7 days. Some people let it sit for 2 weeks, so it's up to you. I'm going to place my rice in the dark place, and we will be back soon. Hey you, we're back. This is day 7 of the rice water sitting in the dark place. You can see it's already fermented and the rice is softer. So you've gotten almost all the nutrients from the rice into the water. We are going to be sieving out the rice from the water. And make sure you don't have any rice particles in your water. As you can see, the rice is softer and the orange peel is also swollen. So our rice water is ready to be used on our hair. Now it's time to pour the rice water into your spray bottle. So the question is, how do you use this rice water for hair growth? Well, you can use rice water for detangling your hair. You can use it for hair rinse. You can also use it for pre-poo. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this DIY. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe this channel on your way out. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.